I'll be honest with you. I'm tired of constantly searching for the best AI models to create free videos. Most of them are always the same. You get a free trial, generate a few videos, and then it's over. If you want to keep going, you have to pay. But that ends today because I found 3 AI tools for generating videos completely free, and they can create any type of video. Each option I'm showing you today is different. With one of them, we'll be able to use powerful models like Grok, Seedance, and Sora 2, and it works on both computers and phones. If you want to create vertical videos with real avatars that say whatever you write, or make product ads from an image you upload, I'll show you the perfect AI for that. And because I know many of you want an option that is not only free, but also unlimited, I'll show you a tool where we can generate videos with Veo 3 or Grok for free and without limits. Each one needs a specific setup to work properly, but I've already simplified everything so that by the end of this video, you won't need to keep searching for AI video tools anymore. Better tools could appear tomorrow, so if you don't want to miss them, subscribe and leave a like. The first AI we're going to open is SnapGen AI. On this platform, they've hidden the setup that lets us generate videos for free, probably so people don't overload it. Luckily, I found it, and it's very easy to activate. Once we're on the main page, it looks like a completely paid tool with all these plans and credits, but we're going to open the studio option. Here, we'll see several models to choose from Veo 3 to Seedance 2.0. First, choose the Google model. If we scroll down a little, we'll see the settings, but no matter what we choose, it still says that generating this video will cost credits. To fix that, sign in using the button in the top right. You can use a Google account, for example. Now, if we scroll down again, the generation costs 0 credits. Even if we set it to generate at 1080p, 8 seconds long, and in horizontal format, it still stays at 0 credits. So now we can add a prompt and generate it to see the result. And the quality is genuinely good. I'll leave these prompts and all the links for the tools I'm using today, plus free text and image AI tools you can use, on my website in the description. I'll show you exactly where to find everything at the end of the video. There's one more thing this platform does to avoid getting overloaded. It keeps rotating which models work for free. That way, if someone follows the first steps but doesn't know what I'm about to show you, they may think the tool doesn't work. What actually happens is that they rotate which AIs are under maintenance. For example, while I'm recording this video, if I try to generate with this model, even if it says it costs 0 credits, it gives me an error saying it isn't available right now. But tomorrow, Grok might be working, and Veo 3 might be the one under maintenance. The good thing is that, because this is completely free, as long as one of them works, we can generate all the videos we need. To know which tools are working at any given moment, go to Status. Here, we can see the current state of each tool, and there is always at least one model that works. Some models, like Seedance, are not usually made free as often. The next tool surprised me a lot, because it lets us generate more than 200 videos completely free every week. It would be hard to use all of those before they reset the following week, so this is a tool everyone should know about. It also has several very useful features. Let's open Synths. If we scroll down a little on the homepage, we can see the kind of videos it can create, and as you can tell, it specializes in many different types of content. I'll show you the most interesting features, but of course, we'll start with the basic one. In this section, choose Text to Video, add a prompt, and a few seconds later, the video is ready. And we don't only have text to video. If we go to the Image section, we can generate any type of image for free, without even spending the 1,000 weekly credits they give us. Since image generation is free and unlimited here, we can create any type of image, then use it as a reference for a video to make the final result more detailed. We can also use start frame and last frame if we want, but one option I found especially interesting is creating an ad by uploading a single image of a product. We're not going to do it from here though. Open Tools from the menu on the left, then go to Product Avatar. This takes us to a section where we can upload an image of the product we want to turn into an ad. We can choose a specific avatar, paying attention to how the product we want to show will look, and then click Generate. First, it creates 4 images with different sizes or different ways of holding the product. Once we choose one, we click Animate, and it creates a video that's ready to use. But for avatars, there are even more interesting options. If we go to Tools and open VoiceOver Avatars, we'll reach a catalog with a huge number of avatars to choose from. When one catches your attention, Click it and listen to how it sounds.
Welcome to the new era of video creation with digital avatar. Get started by simply typing your script.
If the appearance works but the voice or language doesn't, don't worry, because we can fix that next. Click Continue, and now the interface is very simple. In Script, add the text you want the avatar to say. Then, if we click this section here, a menu opens with all the voices we can assign to the avatar, no matter which avatar we chose. We can use the menu at the top to filter by language, accent, age, or gender. Once we choose the voice, we just click it and it gets added. Depending on the voice, we can adjust the speed and specify the language. When everything is ready, click Generate. First, it generates the voice, and if you don't like it, you can regenerate it before creating the final avatar. To see the result, go to Library, and there we'll find our latest generations.
Thanks for showing me all these AI tools, Malva. As a thank you, I subscribed and left a like.
But if what we really want is to generate videos with the most powerful AI video model, according to the current leaderboards, let me show you what we can do inside Higgsfield. In one place, without paying for several separate subscriptions, we get the best image, video, and audio models, plus a huge set of extra tools. And now, they've added a new video model, Gemini Omni Flash. We can use it not only to generate videos, but also to edit them. Start by going to the video section and choosing Gemini Omni Flash. As you can see, there are many other well-known models here, like Cdance 2.0, but today, this is the one we're testing. Set the video to 16:9 so it generates in horizontal format, then add a prompt. When we send it, this is the result. The quality is very good, it includes sound, and overall, it looks great. But that's not even the most interesting part. Now go to Elements and upload a video. I'm going to choose the video we just created. If it asks you to make the clip shorter, just trim it here. Then add a prompt asking the model to keep the video the same, but edit specific details. When we send it, we get the edited version a few seconds later. Honestly, this model generates very fast, and the result feels like we had recorded a new take. The important part is that it doesn't change everything. It keeps the original video intact and only edits what we asked for. And we can do this as many times as we want, asking for different changes each time. But we can also make much more complex edits. I'm going to upload this video I created of a fictional soda can ad. Pay attention to how the shots look and the elements that appear in the scene. Now I'll upload it, add a prompt asking the model to change the background to a beach, and add some text. And look at the result. Incredible, right? I also tested it with more complex shots, and even there, it didn't give me errors. I chose this video where a plane releases an explosive, with all these special effects on screen and a group of zombies in the scene. Watch what happens. We're going to ask it to edit several things at once: the color of the plane, the zombies' outfits, and even the explosion itself. And it keeps everything perfectly, without changing the rest of the scene and without warping the original video. So if you want to try this workflow yourself, I'll leave the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thanks to Higgsfield for sponsoring this video. But if we want to continue with the free tools I mentioned at the beginning, let's open the next platform. This one lets us use some of today's best models for free, but it has one problem, and I'll show you how to solve it. Because otherwise, we won't be able to use it properly. I'm talking about the platform shown here. Remember, all the links are in the description. One very useful thing about this app is that it has versions for Android and Mac, so you can use it on your phone or on your computer. Once we're inside, click Login to create an account. Choose Continue with Email, and then choose Google, for example. This message appears here, but we'll solve it later. Now click New Project and choose Workflow. This is where we'll create everything. You'll see that it's a little different from a normal generator because we'll be working with nodes, but it's very easy to use. Follow my steps. Click the plus icon, scroll down to Text to Video, and drag it into the interface. The nodes will be added automatically, and now it's much easier to understand. We have one node to write the text, another one to configure the video, and another one to generate it. If we open the model selector, we'll see an incredible variety of options. Choose whichever one catches your attention. I'm going to try this one, then I'll add a prompt. You can also adjust things like the aspect ratio. In my case, I want a horizontal video. Then click Generate, and this is the result. But just like before, since this tool gives us the option, let's start by generating an image first. Go back to the plus icon, open the image section, and choose Text to Image. Drag it into the interface, and it works in the same way. Here, choose a model, paste a prompt, and send it. A few seconds later, the image is ready. Now we'll go back to the plus section and choose Image to Video. This time, it adds a slightly more complex node, but it's still easy to use. We can even remove the image input from this section and drag the result from the previous node into this box. So the tool understands that the image we want to turn into a video is the one we just generated. One interesting detail is that when we use image to video, we get even more models to choose from. Pick the one that catches your attention, add a short prompt, and send it. And this is the result. Now, to solve the problem from before, just follow these steps. Go back to the homepage, and at the top of the platform, click this button. The platform gives us a completely legal option inside its own system to get more credits using this feature here. Then open this option here. Remember, all the links are in the description. Copy this part, go back, and click this button. Then click this button here. When this window appears, choose the first option. Click this button, and in this section, paste what we just copied. Write anything in this field, then click this button. When this option opens, go back to the previous section and copy this part. Paste it here and continue. Now we can keep generating. To get the prompts, the direct links, and access to the free AI tools, go to my website in the description. Open PDF guides, and you'll find the guides for the videos I have published so far. You can download them and access the information from each video, so you can copy the prompts and links without wasting time writing everything manually. You'll also find the free AI chat there. You can ask questions without paying, so it is useful if you want a free chat option for prompts, questions, or quick tests. We also added a model that generates very high-quality images. You only need to sign in and start using it. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.